Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, just in case you don't know. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a sunset inspired look. It's not necessarily a sunset, but it kind of has those vibes. So if you'd like to see how I achieve that look, then stick around. Okay, so as you can see, I've already put foundation on my forehead and I set it. And I already got my eyes prepared. I didn't do the lower half because I know I'm going to be having a little bit of fallout. I'm using this palette. This is one of my top 5 favorite palettes, and I got it in my BoxyCharm, but I'm obsessed with it. The colors in here are very foiled. They're very nice, so I'm going to be using it. It's called Blinc. If you get BoxyCharm, you probably got this. So I'm going to be using this, and I will be using one, maybe two, I'm not sure how many shades of ColourPop single shadows, but I'm definitely going to be using this shade right here, which is Best Coast Scenario. So yeah, I'm going to be using that one for sure. I'm going to actually go into that one right now, into the crease. And I am bringing my eyeshadow. I usually like to keep my eyeshadow a little bit lower, like from the crease down, but I'm going to actually bring it up a little higher because it's, you know, sunset inspired, so we want it to go a little higher up. And this brush here is just a brush that I got in one of my palettes, but I like it. It's really fluffy and it blends really nicely. So yeah, anyways, I'm using that. So what is on your guys' agenda for Valentine's Day? Me? I'm just going to be sitting at home. Sitting at home bored. I'm just doing this outer portion as well because when, like, I tried this out earlier. I tried this look out earlier and this is what I did so that the outer layer, like the outer portion of the look, will have this color. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, I guess I better do the other eye. I'll do both eyes. I don't think it's going to take that long, so I'll just do both eyes on camera. I just want to take a minute and just say hi to a friend of mine. You guys know what I've been going through lately, like over this past year. And I would say for the past maybe 6 months, well, he's always been there for me, but I would say maybe for the last 6 months or so, he's really been a good, an amazing, I can't say good, an amazing friend and very supportive and there for me when I need a friend. And his name is Pat, and I just want to say, hi Pat. He watches my videos too. He's very supportive. And no, he's not a love interest, you guys. Don't get any ideas. He has a girlfriend. It's not like that. We're just really good friends. He's actually a friend of an ex of mine from years ago. So I've actually known him for 22 years. 22 years, you guys. That's crazy. So I'm going to take my 229 and I'm going to go into Centerfold. It's this one right here. It's just a few shades darker than the Best Coast Scenario. If you guys hear like cackling laugh, I'm really sorry. My neighbors have company, and this one girl that they have over, they usually have them over on Saturdays, but I guess they're doing it today. It's Sunday, by the way. But she has this really loud cackly laugh, and I have the window open, and I don't know if they're outside or if they have their window open too, but I can hear it. So I apologize if you guys can hear that. And my stomach is being noisy right now because I'm starving. I haven't had dinner, so. But I needed to get this video done so I can get it edited tonight. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's called Adoni, and this one is called like Rodini or something. They got really strange names, but I'm going to be using those two shades. I'm going to use this brush here that my friend gave me from the Wish website to apply the, I'm just going to call it burgundy. It's like a burgundy color. I'm going to be applying that on the inner portion of my lid and the crease, and then it's going to be sort of like a halo eye. These eyeshadows are so foiled. I love them. I mean, I could probably make them really pop with setting spray, but I don't think it's necessary. I'm just going to use this to blend that edge out because it looks kind of messy. Alright, and now I'm going to take this little brush right here and I'm going to go into that goldish color. We'll just use my names. The names that I pick for them, that's what they are. I don't know why makeup companies bother naming their eyeshadows when people like me decide to choose their own names for them. But do you see how foiled that is? It's very foiled. It's nice. It's like a gold. Alright, so now the other eye. Where's the brush? It's in my hand. Get with it, Shannon. My cat has been less screamy today. I think he just really needed to get the window open and get some fresh air. He loves being in the window. He's obsessed with it. And so yeah, he finally got a chance to get in the window, get some fresh air, smell the outdoors. Because honestly, when I have the window open, when it's nice out, he lives in it. But like now, it's still kind of cold out, so when I have it open, he goes in it and then he'll leave for a little while and warm up and then he'll go back. He's so cute. So he hasn't been driving me up the wall today. All right, now back into the gold color. Now I'm going to go back into that Best Coast Scenario. Not this palette. I almost stuck it into the burgundy, you guys. That wouldn't have been cute. That was my water bottle cracking. Alright, now you see how this is gold and then there's the burgundy on both sides. I'm going to mimic that into my lash line. So first I'm going to add some eyeliner to my waterline, black. Now to mimic, I'm not really sure actually about the shimmery on the lash line. I don't know if I want to do shimmery on the lash line. Let me see. I think I'm just going to go into Centerfold, into the lash line. Okay, and now I'm going to go into Best Coast Scenario, the lighter shade, and I'm going to go just below the centerfold. You guys, you know, I always do this. I should have done my concealer first. I always freaking do this. I always forget. Okay, now I'm going to be using that BeautyBigBang liquid eyeliner that I used in my video yesterday. I'm going to make a wing. Now I'm going to do my foundation. You guys can see how rosy my cheeks get, because for one, it was really hot in the house, and then I had a shower as well. So, and it was like a hot one. Even when it's hot, I still have hot showers, unless it's like really super hot outside and in the house. Then I'll have like a cooler shower, but it's still winter, so I had a hot one. This is a Covergirl Vitalist Elixir, by the way. I love it, you guys. So now I'm going to do the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I got to carefully do that with the sponge underneath my eye, since I already did my lash line. I always do that. You guys probably are like, Shannon, what are you doing? But okay, and now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Loose Setting Powder on my Real Techniques powder brush. And contour. I absolutely love this eye look. I don't know what it is about oranges and like corals and stuff like that and burgundies. I'm obsessed. Now my Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink Blush. And the Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighter. Alright you guys, so before I do my lips and my lashes, I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Setting Spray to set my makeup. I hate when it gets in my hair though, it makes my hair kind of crunchy. Alright you guys, I went off camera and I put lashes on and some mascara. Now I'm going to be using this ColourPop Frickin' Frack lip liner. I'm going to apply that to all my lips, and then I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Lip Lacquer in Classic Red. I love the ColourPop lip liners. They're so creamy. And now for the lip lacquer. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I actually absolutely love this look. I'm obsessed with it. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.